Good day. In today's video I will show you how can you install Oracle VirtualBox in your Windows PC. Okay, so it's very easy. Just first of all go to the virtualbox.org. Here is the page of this website. After that you go to here, you can see get started, download, and from here you can choose your platform. There are available for Solaris, Linux and Mac. Okay, for Mac there is also Intel host and Apple Silicon. Then as I am a Windows user, I will choose this one. I have already downloaded the file. You can see the link is available in the bottom right. It will download the executable file. Here is my file. So what I will do, I will run as administrator. I will click on yes. Started installing. So this gives you the setup wizard. My current VirtualBox version is 7.1.4. I will click on next. I'm accepting the license agreement. Click on next. And location, by default I want my location to another folder. Okay, I'm good with this one. Okay, I'm good with this one. You see program files, Oracle and VirtualBox. Click on next. Now it will give you a warning, network interfaces. Installing the Oracle VirtualBox networking feature will reset your network connection and temporarily disconnect you from internet. So I am proceeding and I am accepting this one. Okay, missing dependencies, Python core, Win32 API. Okay, I will proceed on installation. Yes. It will create a desktop shortcut, startup entries and quick shortcut in quick launcher bar. Okay, I'm clicking on next and install. So it's already installed. Let's click on finish by checking this icon, start Oracle VirtualBox after installation, and click on finish. So here is the dashboard here. Okay, it's so easy. You can see this is the dashboard. I will give you a full video of it, how the dashboard works and how can you define your preferences. You can import your virtual OS files and export it also. Okay, so I think by following this tutorial you can easily install VirtualBox on your PC. Okay, that's all for today. I will see you in next one. Bye.